Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about upcoming releases in the world of digital imaging, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. This camera isn't just another update in Canon's APS-C lineup. It represents a bold strategic shift that could seriously challenge Sony's dominance in the APS-C category, while also going head-to-head with Fujifilm's massively popular X-series hybrid cameras. With rumors pointing toward revolutionary upgrades in speed, resolution, autofocus, and video capabilities, the R7 Mark II has the potential to reshape the landscape of mirrorless cameras for creators, photographers, and filmmakers. In this in-depth breakdown, we'll cover the history of the R7, the rumored specs and features of the Mark II, its potential advantages over competitors like Sony and Fujifilm, and why this camera could easily become one of the most versatile tools for hybrid shooters in 2025 and beyond. Looking back, the Canon EOS R7 legacy. To understand why the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is generating so much excitement, let's rewind to 2022, when Canon launched the original Canon EOS R7. It was more than just a new APS-C camera. It was a message. Canon made it clear that it was fully committed to hybrid creators who demand professional-grade still photography performance alongside serious video capabilities in one lightweight body. The R7 packed a 32.5mm APS-C sensor, 30 FPS electronic, shutter burst shooting, and 4K 60p video recording. Wildlife shooters loved the reach and burst speed. Portrait photographers appreciated Canon's growing RFS lens ecosystem, paired with its renowned color science. Content creators praised its stabilization and video specs, making it a compact yet powerful choice. The versatility of the EOS R7 was its secret weapon. It wasn't just a stills camera. It wasn't just a video camera. It was both, and it catered to modern hybrid creators who move seamlessly between photography and videography. With this camera, Canon made its first real push against Sony's APS-C alpha cameras and Fujifilm's X-series models, proving that it could compete on multiple fronts. What the Canon EOS R7 Mark II could bring now. Let's move to the much-anticipated Canon EOS R7 Mark II. Early reports and leaks suggest that this camera isn't just a small refresh. Instead, Canon seems determined to push the boundaries of APS-C performance and position the R7 Mark II as a serious competitor, not just in the APS-C segment, but against some full-frame systems too. Rumored key features: 140MP stacked APS-C sensor, a huge leap from the original's 32.5MP. This increase isn't just about megapixels. It's about improved dynamic range, low light performance, color fidelity, and detail reproduction. Many industry watchers believe this could rival full-frame image quality from just a few years ago. DIGIC X, or new processor, faster data handling, quicker image processing, and the backbone for advanced features like AI-powered autofocus. AI, autofocus and subject tracking. Canon's autofocus has been impressive in its recent models, but the R7 Mark II is rumored to take it even further. Predictive subject tracking could mean birds in flight, fast-moving athletes, or even your pet running around the house remain tack-sharp even at extreme burst speeds. TFPS burst shooting. That's pro-level speed in an APS-C body, with rolling. Shutter greatly minimized thanks to stacked sensor technology. K at 120 FPS, plus possible 6K external RAW recording, cinematic slow motion, and high-end video flexibility in an APS-C package. For filmmakers, this could eliminate the need for heavier, more expensive cinema gear. 8 stops of in-body image stabilization, handheld shots and video footage that look like they were captured with a gimbal, making run-and-gun shooting easier than ever. Improved ergonomics and build quality. Canon often refines handling in its Mark II models, so expect a tougher, more refined design suitable for pros and enthusiasts alike. Why this camera could change the APS-C game. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II has the potential to do something no APS-C camera has done before. Deliver flagship-level performance at a competitive, mid-range price point. Resolution meets speed. A 40MP stacked sensor with 40 FPS shooting would place this camera in rare territory. Usually you have to compromise. High megapixels for resolution, or lower megapixels for speed. Canon seems determined to give you both. Hybrid performance. The R7 Mark II could be the ultimate hybrid tool, balancing photography and video in a way that rivals can't easily match. AI autofocus advantage. Autofocus is one of the most important features in modern cameras, and Canon's AI tracking could bring pro-level precision to wildlife, sports, portraits, and filmmaking alike. Stabilization. Freedom for creators who shoot handheld. IBIS with 7 to 8 stops of compensation is a game changer. Travel photographers, vloggers, and adventure shooters will especially benefit. How it stacks up against Sony and Fujifilm. The APS-C mirrorless battleground is largely dominated by Sony and Fujifilm, but Canon is looking to shake things up. Sony. A6700 and A6600 series. Sony has long been the APS-C leader with real-time AI tracking AF, compact size, and a solid lens ecosystem. However, its latest models top out at 26 megapixels. If Canon launches a 40 megapixel stacked APS-C sensor, it would instantly put pressure on Sony to respond. Fujifilm X-H2, X-H2S, and X-S20. Fujifilm's color science, film simulations, and strong hybrid video capabilities make it beloved by creators. The X-H2 already offers 40 megapixel resolution and 8K video, but Canon could undercut it in price while offering better autofocus and stabilization. In short, Canon has a chance to deliver a best-of-both-worlds camera, combining resolution, speed, and video performance in a way that neither Sony nor Fujifilm perfectly balances. Price expectations and value. While nothing is official, analysts expect the Canon EOS R7 Mark II to be priced in the $1,800–$2,200 USD range. This would position it below many full-frame options while still offering professional-grade performance. If Canon succeeds at this price point, the R7 Mark II could become a sweet spot camera, powerful enough for professionals, affordable enough for enthusiasts, and versatile enough for YouTubers, vloggers, filmmakers, and wildlife photographers. Add to this Canon's growing RFS lens ecosystem and the availability of third-party lenses, and the R7 Mark II could offer tremendous value to creators looking for one camera that can truly do it all. Why the R7 Mark II matters for creators. In today's content-driven world, most creators can't afford to carry separate cameras for photography and filmmaking. They need one hybrid system that can keep up with their fast-paced workflow. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II could be that camera. With 40 megapixel stills, 6K RAW video options, AI autofocus, and pro-level stabilization, it checks the boxes for nearly every type of creator. Wildlife photographers get reach, burst speed, and autofocus precision. Portrait photographers get resolution, color fidelity, and lens options. Videographers and filmmakers get cinematic slow motion, external RAW, and stabilized footage. Content creators and vloggers get lightweight mobility, handheld stability, and great color science right out of camera. Final thoughts. Canon EOS R7 Mark II isn't just an incremental upgrade. It's shaping up to be a strategic move by Canon, one that could redefine what an APS-C mirrorless camera can do. With massive improvements in resolution, autofocus, video performance, and stabilization, this camera has the potential to rival full-frame systems, disrupt Sony's APS-C dominance, and compete directly with Fujifilm's hybrid offerings. If the priced correctly, it could become one of the most important cameras of 2025, giving professionals and enthusiasts an affordable yet powerful tool for both photography and filmmaking. That wraps up today's deep dive into the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. Don't forget to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for more in-depth reviews, leaks, news, and comparisons across the world of cameras, smartphones, drones, and the latest tech innovations. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think the R7 Mark II could be Canon's APS-C game changer? Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and stay ahead in the world of tech.